Yeah, it's now
Hey.
a black pickup truck.
Can you say hi to Grandpa Chappy?
Hi.
Say hi.
Say hi. Well, I want a picture of you. I want a picture of you.
Nash, say go blue.
Nash. Go blue. Go blue.
Say Grandpa Chappy, go blue.
Hey. Hey, Nash. Go blue.
Nash, Nash, hail to the victors, Grandpa Chappy.
Are you coming? Here comes Nash. Look out. Look out.
Oh, boom. Crash. You getting out?
You do pretty well, big boy.
You get 5 to Grandpa Chappy?
Okay.
Yeah, go blue. Go blue, Nash. Go blue, buddy.
Nash,
Get some gas. You ready, Dad?
you gotta get some gas, bud?
You ready?
I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm
Where you
ready.
going?
You getting some gas?
Yeah.
Okay, where you going?
You ready, Dad?
You going driving?
You ready?
I'm ready. Let's see it. Woohoo, fast.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Well, no, we can't go through there in your car, bud. You can drive on the patio, though. Why don't you drive over to Grandpa Chappy?
I don't know why we're getting out of this, but our CFOs